Okay, I'm going to take a video of this and just make sure we put this up on the YouTube channel. Okay, so again, if both of the signs, okay, if both of the signs are pluses, okay, then both of the parentheses are going to be pluses. All right, that's the first thing we learned. Okay, if the last sign is a negative, okay, no matter what the first sign does, you're going to have one of each. There's going to be an x plus and an x minus. And remember, when the negative comes first, that means our bigger number has to be negative. So like for this one right here, okay, the bigger number is going to be the negative one because it takes the sign of the bigger number. I'm going to admit somebody and get back to this. Okay, and then the one above it, okay, when that first sign's positive, that just means the bigger number is going to be positive. All right, and then the very last one is the new one we learned. They're both minuses. Okay, so these are like, we've been doing a bunch of examples, okay, and I've been telling you like, okay, I'm going to make it a little harder. I'm going to make it a little harder now, okay? But I want to review and kind of just make sure we understand what we've done so far. Okay, so we did it the first way. All right, then we did it these second two ways. Either way, though, it's just 1 plus, 1 minus. All right, and then we did it this way at the bottom. Okay, so there's really three possibilities. They're both going to be pluses, they're both going to be minuses, or there's going to be one of each. All right, so that's kind of like I will make sure you write this down, okay? This is kind of like reviewing and summarizing all the different ones we've done so far. Okay, so this is kind of like a little cheat sheet for depending on what your problem looks like. Okay, depending on what they look like, this is what the answers have to look like. Okay, notice I didn't give you the numbers because I just made up all these, but